Talk about pants. That's a mission. Okay, here we go. Number 2. I'm getting too old for this shit. Oh man. What a mission. And I flipping hell. Bloody pipe here. So we're getting ready for the bike trip now. This mate of mine, I hardly know him, but we're going to have a good time together. And we're going to have a fantastic ride, and I'm so looking forward to it. I'm going to get the bike ready. So, let's get the panniers on. I just want to test this pump of mine, so just to make sure that it's working, so I'm going to just pump the tires it myself. So I've got this pump. Alright, woo, here we go, we're so excited. So it's end of day 1 on our bike tour, and we had a place called Shadow Mountain, and I'm on the mountain. The hotel is just down the other side, and far distance you can just see Elliot, and then straight behind across the other hills 60 km that way is a place called Maclear East. You have the most spectacular mountain rock formations, and unfortunately I'd have to walk to the pinnacle of that point there, which is about an hour and a half's walk. But it just is the most spectacular place. If you have an opportunity to come to Mountain Shadows, it's an old school hotel. The rooms are spectacularly clean. Yeah, the bike ride went well. We started off in the rain. Cockstead, we had breakfast, and then Matati Hill, and then Mount Fletcher. And the road from Mount Fletcher to the Mountain Shadow is nothing short but one of the nicest bike rides. You know, I've ridden this road so many times before, but I've never really just been in the moment and enjoyed the actual scenery and the actual road itself. Not a lot of traffic. There are a few sort of villages that you got to slow down, but just the most spectacular. Anyway, I'm meant to be on my walk. It's going to be a short walk, but a steep walk. Damn thing. Ah. Tore my pants. Man, that's a mission. I tore my pants. Check it. Oh, I suppose you want to check it. And I flipping hell. That bloody pipe here. Bastard. Yeah, I saw that was. Just pierced my hand. My leg's bleeding, my pants are torn, and the bloody precipice here too. I need to have my wits about me. This is a narrow patch here. See what I did to my leg? See, I'm bleeding. My hand. So, where do I go now? So they got these yellow beacons like this. Anyway, they're not totally obvious. Yesterday. Anyway. So it's the end of day 2, from Mountain Shadow to here in Fouriesburg, probably around 400 k's. Went past just some of the most incredible scenery. I'd forgotten that how absolutely fantastic that ride is. Got into Maclear East. I don't know if I've ever been to Maclear East. And anyway, took these shots, and just another interesting little small town here in South Africa, like Fouriesburg. You just kind of get confused really, because you have a mix of the real old and the new, and the used to be. Some of the places are really run down.
Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall.
And then we went from At Barkly East we went over the Orange River. It was quite a lekker surprise, this kind of narrow bridge, you know, one car at a time. And yeah, took some shots there as well. Really just the whole environment, it was spectacular. And then we went through a little town, I can't remember the name of it now. Met this guy, Triple X. He's a biker, and I mean, it was just so nice meeting another biker on the road, and he was so enthusiastic about where he's been. I mean, he's done some serious mileage. The road from Zalstrom to here is just atrocious. I reckon he'll ace Magashula, I reckon. You know, I don't know whether he stole money or whether he was corrupt or anything, but I tell you what, the money that's in the Free State didn't get spent on the roads, I can promise you that. I mean, it was just absolutely something else to behold. Now we're here, this very sort of tranquil Fouriesburg country inn. We go from here through to Clarence, Golden Gate, Olife's Hook. So yeah, that's tomorrow, and really just loving it, and I've enjoyed Mike, who's been along with me, and we only met for the first time at the beginning of this ride, but I think we'll be friends now. So yeah, there we have it. Just come down Olife's Pass, and now we're stripping down because the temperature's gone from 20 degrees down to 26, so it's getting hot. And just about another 80 k's down the road we have a coffee break, and then really it's just the home stretch, and it's been a great ride. Olife's Hook's my favourite pass, as you probably saw as I was coming down here. So all good. Thank God so far, and look forward to a safe rest of the trip. I'm going to walk over to my friend Mike and interview him a little bit here quickly. So Mike, first time we met on this trip.
Oh, take
it off, yeah. So this is the last of the exciting bit.
Yeah.
And how have you found the trip?
Hey, good.
Huh?
That was good.
And
no
we met for the first time.
Yeah.
Will you ride with me again?
Yeah, sure.
No, it's not the last time.
No.
I did leave you in the dust here, but
yeah,
that's my favourite spot. This.
No.
Yeah.
Them baboons were playing catches in the road. The first lot, and then the second lot, I think somebody dumped some food across the road. And
that's bad.
they were beating across there.
Yeah, no, I was watching out for it.
It's the first time I've ever seen them here.
Yeah, no, me too. Anyway, it's been a great ride,
yeah.
And thanks for riding with me.
I thought we were going to have coffee somewhere.
No, we are, but this is luck for the video.
Oh, okay.
so you say thank you for riding with me.
Okay, thanks for riding with us. With me.
Alright, cheers.
Okay.
Just arrived home, and now the joy of unpacking